Hi guys, today we will discuss about the Bhopal gas tragedy. So on December 3, 1984, more than 40 tons of methyl isocyanide gas leaked from a pesticide plant in Bhopal, India, immediately killing at least 3,800 people and causing significant morbidity and premature death for many thousands more. The company involved in what became the worst industrial accident in the history immediately tried to disassociate itself from the legal responsibility. Eventually, it reached a settlement with the Indian government through mediation of that country's Supreme Court and accepted moral responsibility. It paid $470 million in compensation, a relatively small amount of based on significant underestimation of the long-term health consequence of exposure and the number of people exposed. The disaster indicated a need for enforceable international standards for environment safety, preventive strategies to avoid similar accidents, and industrial disaster preparedness. The aftermath of the tragedy is that UCC began attempts to disassociate itself from the responsibility of the leak. Its principal tactic was to shift culpability to UCIL, stating that the plant was wholly built and operated by the Indian subsidiary. It also fabricated scenarios involving sabotage by previously unknown Sikh extremist group and this Grunthal employees, but this theory was impugned by the numerous independent sources. The in a settlement mediated by the Indian Supreme Court, UCC accepted moral responsibility and agreed to pay $470 million to the Indian government to be distributed to claimants as a full and final settlement. The figure was partly based on the dispute claim that not only 3,000 people died and 1,02,000 suffered permanent disabilities. Upon announcing the settlement, shares of UCC rose $2 per share or 7% in value. Had compensation in Bhopal been paid at the same rate that the absolute victims were being awarded in the US courts by the defendant, including UCC, which mined absurd from 1963 to 1985. As further insult, UCC discontinued operation at its Bhopal plant following the disaster but failed to clean up the industrial site completely. The plant continues to leak several toxic chemicals and heavy metals that have found their way into local aquifers. Dangerously contaminated water has now been added to the legacy left by the company for the people of Bhopal. Thank you.